Suguna Daily Fresh, younger, tender and better. Suguna Daily Fresh, for its finest quality and taste, is already favorite among many Indian households. Suguna's innovation and efforts to maintain consistency, highest quality and hygiene standards are well appreciated by the many that savor the taste of its good chicken. A well-controlled process ensures you get nothing but the freshest of chicken straight from the farm. All the birds are cut by halal method, processed to international quality standards. Suguna Daily Fresh is the ultimate choice of the modern day families. At Suguna, complete care is taken to ensure that you and your family enjoy the finest poultry products. Suguna's team also constantly monitors the pathogen levels in the water and environment, ensuring safety measures are in place. Suguna's standard practices and procedures are audited by ISO and have a scientific approach combined with sound management. At Suguna, a lot of importance is given to biosecurity and support to maintain a disease-free environment. All this comes to you with Suguna's quality backing and highest nutrition and hygiene guarantee. With today's fast-paced lifestyle taking our most homes in India, putting together a wholesome meal for your family is never easy. We all feel the need for hygienic and good quality products that can be conveniently bought and stored. Processed to international quality standards, Suguna Daily Fresh frozen chicken is the ultimate choice of the modern day families. Furthermore, the chicken are carefully selected. It is in this constant endeavor to deliver quality products that Suguna is regularly launching new initiatives. At Suguna Daily Fresh, enjoy the experience of selecting from a range of fresh chilled chicken for your convenience that's available in 8 types of portions in desired quantities. Is a range of ready-to-eat home meal replacements from Suguna, prepared from tender, juicy and tasty Suguna chicken. The various Suguna Daily Fresh products include whole chicken is the whole chicken processed to international quality standards. Suguna's high-quality chilled chicken product range includes chicken drumsticks, chicken boneless breast, boneless chicken, chicken curry cut, chicken lollipop, marinated chili chicken, marinated chicken lollipop, and marinated chicken drumstick. Boneless breast, available with or without the skin, consists of the entire boneless breast fillets and tenderloin. Drumstick, taken from the whole leg by removing the thigh portion, available with or without the skin. Chicken lollipop, marinated chicken lollipop and marinated chicken drumstick. Whole chicken is the whole chicken processed to international quality standards. Curry cut is the whole chicken that is cut into small pieces of uniform size. And marinated chicken drumstick. What's more, all this comes to you with Suguna's quality backing and highest nutrition and hygiene guarantee. We welcome you to embrace the change. Welcome to Suguna Daily Fresh.
Preview.